Welcome! So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to make logo bigger on Shopify. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to open your browser, search for shopify.com, then sign in your account. So once you've done that, just go ahead and click on the online store section at the left side of your screen and select themes, okay? So while we are waiting right here, as you can see, this is my logo. Okay, by the way, this is just a sample website. So as you can see, this is my logo right here. This is the size of it. So to make it larger or bigger, click on the customize button right here. Now select header. So now once you are here at the header, what you need to do is to scroll down. Then what you need to do is to click on this theme settings right here. So let me just go ahead and do that. Theme settings. Scroll down until you see this desktop logo width. Okay. So to change it, just go ahead and drag this. Okay. Let's just go ahead and wait. And as you can see that my logo is now bigger than before. So just go ahead and choose the size that you want. So let me just go ahead and do, I'm going to choose 130 px. Okay. So now as you can see that my logo is now bigger, click on the save button if you're happy with the size of your logo to save all of your actions. Okay. And that is how you make your logo bigger on Shopify. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.